Access Challenge. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Click thumbs ups. Yes, sad, certain, boring. So we thought a fun challenges, games like that. I'm gonna start and next Adya. So let's get started. I kept the timer for Sanvi. It's 1 minute timer. I can't even reach, so I kept a table. Yahoo! I'm the champion! Now I'm crashing this thing. Yeah, cool! Isn't it? Now, Sanvi's turn is over. Now it's my turn to do this tower. 1 minute timer for Adya. Punch it. So let's go. I got it a little bit more time than me. Now the game is finished. If you enjoyed it, be happy forever. More games is coming to our channel. And more funny videos. Go and watch them. If you subscribe this video, we can get a lot of videos. Bye-bye.